Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what we believe is the best 5 storage drawers organizer on the market. The YITAHOME 5 Drawers Dresser. Whether you need extra storage in your living room, hallway, or bedroom, this vertical fabric storage tower is designed to combine style, functionality, and convenience in one compact unit. Right out of the gate, this organizer impresses with its sleek and modern design. The misty gray color and clean lines make it a versatile addition that fits seamlessly into almost any room decor. It stands at just over 37 inches tall, with dimensions that keep it narrow enough for tight spaces but roomy enough to hold a surprising amount of your belongings. One of the key highlights is the combination of materials. The sturdy steel frame ensures that the unit is durable and stable, while the premium MDF wooden top adds a touch of elegance and provides a solid surface for displaying items like photo frames, lamps, or potted plants. This wooden top is not just decorative but practical, lending immense support and helping extend the life of the dresser. The dresser features 5 foldable fabric drawers made from high-quality non-woven synthetic fabric. These drawers are spacious and perfect for organizing clothes, accessories, or miscellaneous household items. Each drawer has an easy pull handle, making access effortless, and the fabric is easy to clean and maintain, which adds to the overall convenience. Another thoughtful feature is the adjustable plastic legs. These legs protect your floors from scratches and help stabilize the dresser on uneven surfaces, ensuring it stands firm no matter where you place it. For safety, the dresser comes with recommendations to anchor it to the wall, preventing any tipping hazards, especially important if you have kids or pets around. Assembly is straightforward with clear instructions included, meaning you can have your new storage solution ready to use in no time without any hassle. Its portability also makes it ideal if you like to rearrange your furniture or move frequently. In summary, the YITAHOME 5 Drawers Dresser offers a blend of durability, style, and smart storage solutions, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to declutter and organize their space efficiently. The sturdy frame, elegant wooden top, and roomy, easy-access fabric drawers make it a standout in vertical storage organizers. If you're looking for a reliable, space-saving dresser that fits into various room styles and provides plenty of storage, this could very well be the perfect fit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews. See you in the next video.